Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's fast-paced world, achieving optimal fitness from the comfort of your home has never been more crucial. With Workoutpedia, a groundbreaking video guide tailored to elevate your home workout program, the journey to superior health and fitness is transformed into an exhilarating adventure, accessible without ever stepping foot in a gym. The immense benefits of Workoutpedia accelerated results. Workoutpedia promises a swift transformation of your fitness regimen, ensuring noticeable improvements within mere days of initiation. Bypassing common obstacles encountered in traditional workout plans. Cost-effectiveness. Forget the pricey gym memberships and extravagant equipment. Workoutpedia offers a budget-friendly approach to achieving your fitness goals, unraveling the secret to a cost-effective home workout setup. Enhanced focus and motivation. The convenience of working out at home eliminates the distractions prevalent in gym settings, bolstering your focus and maintaining a constant motivation towards achieving your fitness targets. Visual learning optimized. As a primarily visual learning platform, Workoutpedia significantly enhances comprehension and retention of fitness concepts, facilitating a more effective and enjoyable learning experience. Who should embark on this journey? Workoutpedia is designed for anyone who aspires to a fitter, healthier lifestyle. Whether you're constrained by a tight budget, seeking a reliable and effective home workout plan, or simply prefer the convenience of exercising from home, Workoutpedia is your ultimate guide to a transformative fitness journey. For a limited time, Workoutpedia is available at an astonishingly discounted rate, providing you access to this comprehensive video guide. This offer includes not only the step-by-step video guide but also valuable bonuses such as high-quality MP3s for on-the-go learning, and a comprehensive ebook for those who prefer reading. You can embark on this transformative fitness journey assured of its value and effectiveness. Should you find the program not meeting your expectations, a full refund is guaranteed, no questions asked. Take the leap today. Are you ready to revolutionize your home workout experience and achieve the best shape of your life? Visit the product link in the description to seize this exclusive offer and embark on a journey to unparalleled fitness with Workoutpedia. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your fitness journey from the comfort and convenience of your own home. Thank you for watching.